Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. For today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my car and I'm going to be adding new things to it, and I cannot wait because I've been wanting to add new things to my car, but I just been delaying it. I had these things in my cart for so long, but I don't know. I'm just like, I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys get motivation to clean your car, because my car right now is so embarrassing. Like, there's no reason for me to be driving around with a dirty car. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm just chilling with my bun. This is a oh, I'm a clean bun. Like, don't interrupt me, I'm cleaning. Before I head to the car wash, let me show you guys what I got. So the interior of my car is black and gray, and I wanted to add like a pop of pink because I love pink, but I was like, I want to keep it as minimal as I can because I can go crazy with the pink. Like, one thing about it is I'm gonna go crazy with the pink because that's how much I love pink. That's why it took me a while to like order some things, because I didn't know if I wanted some pink seat covers or some black seat covers, but I decided to go with the black. And yeah, I'm just staying with the black and gray, and I also love like sparkle and bling, so I'm gonna add a little bit of bling to the car. Let me show you what I got. So the first thing I got are these hooks. Like, when I want to put my pocketbook, book bags, my groceries, or anything, just these hooks, they're gonna go like around here. Next thing I got, oh, this is cute. It's like these hooks that go on where the AC is, and it's like the heart. It's like bling. Isn't it so cute? And it's 2 hearts. And I ordered these iPhone chargers because they're black, so it'll go well with the new stuff. And it's 3 chargers. Phones will never die in my car. Okay, so next thing I ordered are these disposable masks. And I know that in North Carolina you don't have to wear a mask anymore in certain places, but sometimes I want to wear a mask. And I got these because they're black, so yeah, they go good with the car. Oh, it's my car mount. I've been waiting for this because I bought one at Walmart and it was really cheap. And girl, I was looking, my phone went flying with that one. You guys, let me tell you, so I ordered this water bottle from Amazon like a month ago, and it's a gallon, and I accidentally ordered this. I thought it was like half a gallon, but no, it's a gallon, and it was like $25. I don't know, I didn't read the description. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's so pretty, and it's pink, and it has like the time. But yeah, it's so pretty. I just wanted to tell you guys. Next thing I ordered is this bling cup holders, like coasters. And they're just black with a little bit of bling. You can see that. I need to back my seat up for this because this is a big package. Last thing I ordered are my seat covers, you guys. And I saw these seat covers on TikTok and I fell in love with them. And I've had them in my car for months. I kept going back and forth about should I just get pink seat covers or black seat covers. So I decided to get the black seat covers. ¿Cómo se abre esto? Dude, I'm over here like, my car is like moving and stuff, and they're probably like, what is she doing in there? This box got all the Prime stickers on it, but baby, you wasn't priming, so why you got all these Prime stickers? Okay, so I finally got it to open, and these are my seat covers. I'm gonna insert a picture of how they look on the website on Amazon. And I really liked it because they're black and they have like that some bling on it. But yeah, I got the seat covers. Now let's head to the car wash so I can start washing my car, vacuuming and all that, because this car is so dirty. You guys, I came to Bath and Bodies real quick to find a candle for my car. I better stop messing around and end up with so much stuff here. Okay guys, so I went to Bath and Body to grab a candle that I'm gonna put in my car. And my dad told me this like years ago. When it starts warming up, instead of buying air fresheners, because you know how like the smell goes away quick, just get like a candle. And I got the mahogany teak wood, and I got it because it smells so good and it has a black lid. The bigger candle is all black, but the big candle's not gonna fit in my car, so I just got the small one, and I'm gonna put it on my cup holder. And with the sun, it's going to like melt the wax, and it's gonna make your car smell. You don't have to lit the candle, so no, do not lit your candle in your car. The sun is going to melt your wax. But yeah guys, let's head to the car wash now.
Better get paid for this.
Let me show you. Oh my, it's so embarrassing because I'm putting my business out there like that. So this is the before. Y'all. Oh my god. Like, I just need to vacuum this. But this is the before. And I got this from Amazon too. And my push button right here, it has like a bling. I got it from Amazon too. I got these from Amazon. So blinky.
Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-tone them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go. Long as I get paid, that little vibe. She been on my mind, soon as I get paid.
It's given. All 22 is grounded me. I'm tired of working. Gosh. Please stop playing with her. That shit blinging. Ooh. That bitch could never.
I use this for my leather seats.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me.
Finally put the first one. Girl, this is stressful. Like, the next one.
You look good.
Good for about to me right now. I'm just trying to get this shit done. Stressing me out.
Who blinging like this? Cause nobody. Like maybe all bling.
The front look. I'm gonna go to the back.
You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can.
You guys, so this is how the back looks. I couldn't put the top right here because mine doesn't have like the metal bars. But this is how it looks. And this is how the front looks. How do you guys feel about them? Do you guys like them? I don't know. I like them. And then I just have to get adjusted to it. Guys, it's starting to warm up and I have a turtleneck. I look mad dumb right now. But I'm done with the inside, and now I'm gonna wash my car from the outside.
Niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind, as soon as I get.
No, Sylvie, o como se llama el carro.
Her name is Sylvie.
You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind, as soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
Every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm going out of slave. I had that shot that too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I'm running, so I took the private plane. Get like a wild walking on my hand. You too hard to the car, to the center, to the ground, like a brother's by the name. You too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around the joint, try to run it away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as
I put the hooks. This is how it looks. This is how the front looks. Much better. My candle. Okay guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys liked anything that I got from Amazon, I'm gonna link everything down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.